I'm Lana.
I'm B.
And this is vlog number 9.
Tell me, what is going on right now?
GradWear. Oh yeah.
Hi guys, my name is Virsna. I am the shipper and receiver guy here at Passion Sports. My job is to get all the clothing here and order it from different distributors. Lana and I are a tag team. We're Team Lava. I help her with the packaging and everything with that.
Hi, my name is Lana, and we create online stores for schools to make things much easier and much smoother for you. So basically, you send us your ideas, what products you're interested in, colors. We can even create the logo for you if you don't have that yet, and we'll place them on the products so we have a nice little catalog of what we're looking for. And that way it's easier for students, parents, teachers, and everyone to just go online, view what we can order, and create it from there. So these are the products that we have custom created for the school. You can see here all the crew necks come in a variety of different color options, so that's something that can be done. Some are screen printed, some are embroidery, depending on your preference. So you can select an item, pick your size. We also have sizing charts linked to the products that you can check out. If you want a customization, there's a space to add your name or a number. Select quantity and add to your cart. So there's your product, $30 with customization. And there it is in my cart. Done.
Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching vlog number 9. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and keep your eyes open for our next vlog.
Yeah, just serious face though.
It looks too funny.